In this video, I'll show you how to install Jupyter Notebook on your Lenovo laptop. Before installing Jupyter Notebook, you need to have Python installed on your laptop. Open your web browser and search for Download Python. Open the official Python website. Click Downloads, then select Windows. Click the latest Python release. Scroll down and click Windows Installer 64-bit to download it. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python.exe to Path. Then click Install Now. Wait for the installation to finish, and then click Close. Now open Windows Search, type Terminal, and open it. Type the following command: Python -version. Then press Enter. If you see the Python version on the screen, it means Python has been installed successfully. In the same terminal window, type pip install Jupyter. Then press Enter. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 4. Create a project folder. Go to your desktop. Right-click on an empty area, select New, then click Folder. Give the folder any name you like, such as Jupyter Projects. Open the folder. Right-click inside the folder and select Open in Terminal. Now type Jupyter-Notebook. Then press Enter. Your default web browser will open with Jupyter Notebook. Click New, then choose Notebook Python 3. Give your notebook any name you want and start writing your Python code. That's it. You have successfully installed and launched Jupyter Notebook on your Windows 11 Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.